If you're trying to install one of the desktop labs and it won't switch to open like this button is, if it's stuck on installing 100% or it's stuck somewhere along the way, it probably means that your internet's cut out and messed up the download process. So let me show you how to fix that. The first thing you want to do is go and open your applications folder. Look in there, see if you have an icon for virtual bio in this situation. That's what we're trying to install. I don't see it here. Okay, so that means I need to find to see if it did manage to download the file. To do that, I'm going to click on the Go button. If you have a library here, that means you've got what you need. It's a hidden folder. If you don't have it, click Command-Shift-, and then click Go. Library will show up. And now you want to go into the BLZ Connect folder there, and you should see zipped folders downloaded for each of the labs you are trying to install. They should be relatively large folders. If you do not have them this large, that means they really did mess up in the install, and you're going to want to just drag this to the trash, and I'll show you what to do after that. If it did download and it is a relatively big folder, then you're going to double click it to expand it to unzip it. And then once it expands, then we're going to drag it into the applications folder. So now we've got the icon. It's a little flask icon. We drag it on over into applications. Now this is the step you'll do. You'll click on the flask icon at the top of your screen and select quit. So if you had to delete that zipped folder if it was not big enough, or if you did have it, you downloaded, dragged it over, either of those situations, you're going to disconnect to force our server to be able to re-acknowledge that, oh, you're here, you need to check your license again. Then you click connect. Once it starts up, then you will be able to see the main desktop screen again, and the lab you want will say open. If it doesn't say open, please reach out to us at support.